divisions. So, yung divisions na yun, of course, admin, yung accounting na yun. So, yung admin namin, the personnel, yung finance namin, and of course, evidence, with and yung ibang divisions, technical, research na, and the psychology divisions, or divisions. Then, yung na, baba naman namin yung technology division. Very general, research and development division yun. Then yung division, saan kayo nagpupunta ng division? Second floor. Opo. Yun. Sa second floor, yung technical, yun yung information, technical information division. Yung kasama na natin na yan. So yun yung tawag namin GDAS, Logic Disaster Awareness and Preparedness